Hey everybody, today's rapid fire question is, what is an escrow account? Hi, my name is Choe. I'm a broker owner located out of the DC metro area and we are licensed in 15 states. Now, this is a common question because this term doesn't get thrown around often, but what is an escrow account? Well, an escrow account is like a savings account that's specifically for your property taxes and homeowners insurance. Now, there's going to be two questions that a lot of borrowers are going to be asking. Number one is it required? And then number two, what are the benefits? So first off, let's tackle number one. Is it required? Most cases, it's not required, but if you choose to escrow your property taxes and homeowners insurance, you can choose to do either one or the other, so property tax or the homeowners insurance, or you can choose to do both. Answering that question number two is, what are the benefits? Well, the benefit is that since it's like a savings account specifically for your homeowners insurance and property taxes to pay for them when they are due. So property taxes can be either semi-annual or due at the end of the year. And then homeowners insurance is whenever the renewal period is for that policy. Then the escrow account is going to be automatically paying for it because throughout the year on a monthly basis, it's going to be collecting what it's required so that it can pay it up in full during those due times. I hope this was helpful in answering some of the questions regarding the mortgage process. If it is, then I'm sure you'd be interested in this video about the conditional approval process because a lot of folks get confused. So this video is going to be answering what a conditional approval is. Hope you like this video. Subscribe, comment below, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.